Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Kangs. Come with me as I travel to Qatar, Doha. This is 4 a.m. in the morning. I was catching a flight at 5:55 in the morning from Muscat all the way to Doha, and it's good to put a timestamp. This was on 28th of February, 2026. You know that day. So I started on well to the airport. I did my check-in. After check-in, immigration, all was done. Of course, I cannot record immigration because of security reasons. And I was ready to board my flight to Doha. Um, I came like 1 hour to time or 1 hour and a half to time because I did not have check-in luggage and I had already done my online check-in. So I knew I would come, print my boarding pass, and go straight to the gate. And that's exactly what happened. And for GCC residents, if you are planning to go to Qatar, you just need to apply your visa on hire. So 99% you get the visa. Sorry for that. And before I know, we were airborne, and that was sunrise in the sky. It was a nice, beautiful view, though I was very sleepy. Like I had fatigue because previous day I had not slept well, and now this was early morning flight. But I really enjoyed flight. It was Airbus A330, that's 300. We It's a short flight from Muscat to Doha. It's a 1 hour 15 minutes flight, so that's a very 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 short flight. So before we know, we had touched down in Doha, and this was my first view of the touchdown, and I realized that Doha is such a big airport, and that was my first view, like the first view of the country. We disembarked and we went straight to immigration. Like I said, you cannot record immigration. So before I even know, I was done with the immigration, but the queue was long. I went straight. I took metro. There's a card. You pay 6 real for the whole day. So I took a ride, maybe three metro stations. Then I alighted. It was quick, very fast. I alighted and I took a taxi to my hotel. So it was easy to navigate because I've been in GCC country for some time. So the taxi driver was very kind, very nice guy. He was from Pakistan. I remember his name was Mubashir. And before I know, yeah, that's the guy. He was such a nice guy. He was curious about my camera, but I explained about it. And boom, I was in my hotel, and that's my hotel. So see you on the next video as I explore Doha.